Looking for a versatile USB-C cable that keeps up with all your devices? The HEPU USB C Cable 5-pack delivers fast, reliable charging and data transfer for smartphones, tablets, and laptops alike. Whether you own the latest iPhone 16, a Samsung Galaxy S24, or a MacBook Pro, these cables have you covered. Each cable in this pack features a durable nylon braided design with premium aluminum housing. This not only adds strength but also prevents tangling, making them perfect for home, office, or travel. Plus, the colorful options help you easily identify your cables or share them with family and friends. The pack includes 5 cables in various lengths, 3 at 3 feet and 2 at 6 feet, so you can choose the right size for any setup. Need a short cable for your desk or a longer one for the couch? You're covered without clutter or compromise. What really stands out is the 60W fast charging support. These USB-C to USB-C cables handle power delivery up to 20 volts, 3A, compatible with PD3, 0, QC3, 0, and QC4, 0 standards. That means you can quickly power up your MacBook, iPad, or Samsung phone with the right adapter, and transfer data at speeds up to 480 megabits per second. Compatibility is broad and reliable. From iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPad Air 5 to Samsung Galaxy S24 and MacBook Air M1, these cables support virtually every USB-C device you own. No more guessing which cable fits which gadget. HEPU keeps it simple and efficient. If you're juggling multiple devices or tired of slow charging and flimsy cords, this 5-pack offers a solid solution. The variety in length and color, combined with fast charging and durability, means you get convenience without compromise. On top of that, HEPU backs these cables with an 18-month warranty and responsive customer support. So if you ever run into issues, help is just a call or message away. It's a small detail that adds peace of mind to your purchase. If that's you, someone who values speed, quality, and flexibility, the HEPU USB C Cable 5-pack is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging game and enjoy cables that actually keep pace with your busy life.